there is a black apple. The black is not rotten, but it is an apple that has a black skin. Hi, I am sure that 100% or 99% of us apple consumers don't know the meaning of the small speaker written pink lady on apples.
Si kampuni?
But I would assume it's the farm that farms it, ama maybe the importers.
Ama ni brand, I don't know. So maybe ni label ya your production company, or I don't know, and you produce.
Most of us apple consumers know this apple as the apple of Ukambani, the local apple ya Ukambani. If you go to the market, you give someone this apple, they'll say ile apple ya Ukambani. Funny enough, it is not grown in the eastern sides of Kenya only, the Ukambani side. It has gone up to the shores of Lake Victoria. People know it as the Anna apple.
Jkusenga farm is one of the leading organic apple producers in Kenya. The farm has more than 12 varieties of apples, including crisp red, Fuji, brae, gala, Anna, Liberty, golden-Dorset, golden Smith, crisp pink, honey crisp, envy, and winter banana. Just to clear the wind for farmers asking about apple pollinators, 4 of the 12 apple varieties at Jkusenga farm, the golden-Dorset, crisp red, Fuji, and winter banana, act as pollinators. Crisp red apples are popular varieties known for their crunchiness, firm, juicy texture, and sweet tart flavor, with top contenders including honey crisp, cosmic crisp, and crimson crisp.
It's one of the varieties we have in Jkusenga farm. It's roundish in shape. You can see the fruits. This is how they look. This is crisp red apple. When you leave 3 apples in each spur, they become this big. You can see that one. These are more apples here. These are the leaves. The leaves look this way. Okay.
Gala variety of apples are non-uniform in color, vertically stripped or molted with an overall orange color.
So when ripe, our gala looks this way. You can see this is gala apple. Look how shiny it is. The birds had already started consuming it. So this is a variety of apple we know known as gala, roundish in shape also.
The winter banana variety of apples, prone to diseases but commonly known for its yellow pale skin, pink blush, and unique mild aroma and flavor reminiscent of banana. The crisp, juicy, and sweet tart apple is excellent for fresh eating, salads, and ciders.
This is winter banana. It's mostly affected by fungus.
Fuji apples, also commonly referred to as blunt sugar bombs, are a cross between Red Delicious, Ral's Janet Dahl. These apples are liked because of being extremely sweet. They have a long shelf life and have a pink sparkled red skin. Golden-Dorset is a variety of apples that has heat tolerance, making it ideal for tropical and warm areas. They have a sweet tart flavor with a yellow-green skin, often with a slight blush.
This is golden-Dorset. This is how it looks. It's also a very good pollinator. So this is golden-Dorset. Round in shape also. Challenge is not that very productive, but it has this kind of quality fruits.
Liberty apples is a hybrid that is disease and pest resistant, known for being deliciously sweet and some with just enough tartness to balance them out.
We also have another variety. This one is called Liberty. It is this color. So this is Liberty. It's a new also variety in Jkusenga farm. A variety we also understanding and continue to grow it so that we may understand it more, as we believe in diversity and we believe in growing different varieties, so that each season we have a very good crop set, and also we have a very good production.
The next time you go to the market, don't be afraid to ask for an apple with their names. At least you know now the 12 varieties that are in Kenya. A little challenge to us farmers and people who are watching. I would wish for you to suggest for us. We have a new variety of apple that we have drafted, mixed, and we don't have a name yet for the apple. Kindly, at the comment section, comment as to what name we should give the apple. We will choose the best and name that apple according to what you say.
This is also another variety. This is a variety that we bred ourselves. We have not given it its name yet. One of the sweetest apples, round also in shape. So we've been doing a lot of research in Jkusenga farm about different varieties of apples. So there's another variety here, round in shape. It's very shiny. It lands this pinkish color, more pink when it's ripe. You can see the fruits very, very well. Also, these are its fruits. So this is also a different variety. We have not given it a name yet because it's something we are researching on now for 3 years. Yeah, since we introduced different varieties in our farm. So this variety, we have not given it a name yet, but this is how it looks.
I know you are used to the green and the red apples, but now you know there are 12 varieties of apples in Kenya. The only thing that I know you don't know is that there is a black apple. The black is not rotten, but it is an apple that has a black skin. Very sweet. It has not fruited yet in the farm, but it is coming out. And I will show you in one of the videos the black apple.